I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games lagging and or high ping issues in Steam games. So the first thing we want to do is open up Steam, and in the top left, you want to click Steam and then navigate to settings. From here on the left, scroll all the way down until you see in game. And then from here, scroll all the way down until you see server browser pings/minute. By default, it will be at 5,000, but if you click the drop down, you can put this to something like 1,000, which essentially will force Steam games to only show lower ping servers. Once you've done that, close out of that and then open up your taskbar and fully exit Steam. Once we've done that, the next thing we want to do is open up the search bar, type in power, sleep and battery settings, and then click on that. And from here, what we want to do is select power mode, and next to plugged in, we want to swap that from balanced to best performance. Additionally, if you have a laptop, you'll have another option where again, you just want to select best performance. Once you've done that, reopen Steam.